Okay, so I'm gonna show you the different components of this, then show you how to do the maintenance on it. First, the beans go here in this flap. Okay, this is the beans flap. We will just throw the beans in there, and then this is for the powder coffee, but we don't use powder coffee. We have full beans. This also will come later, where we use these cleansing tablets for coffee machine. They go in the same one as the powder. It will tell you put it in the powder area. It will show you a picture here when it asks you. Here is the water compartment. There is a little handle. We pull it outside like that, and that's the water compartment. We wash it. You will not wash it. The dishwasher will wash it because we don't have everyone trying to wash it. Then everyone is washing it. We will put it in the maintenance schedule to fully wash it. But we will have it in the to wash this. If a dishwasher is washing this, because in the video he might see it. You take this to the dishwashing area, hand wash, no dishwasher machine. Soap like that, rinse it. Try to use the soft side of this scrubber. Don't use the rough side, so it doesn't do scratches. Yeah, use the soft side. And for these parts, the machine itself, just sanitizer, spray some sanitizer and wipe it with the white towel, the kitchen towels. Okay? Here we're gonna put it back and it closes. This goes up and down to accommodate different size of cups. We keep it maximum up just to accommodate everyone. Okay, this nozzle is the milk nozzle. Okay, when it wants to clean it, a lot of time it will tell you clean milk nozzle. You put it here and it will pump hot water automatically to clear it and clean it. Here you can remove it as well. Sometimes it accumulates milk here, dry milk on the nozzles. It cannot clean these parts, so we'll have to clean it manually. Sanitizer and kitchen towel. Okay. Now the drawer, it will tell you to empty it every day. You push up a little bit and pull it outside. Very smooth. It doesn't need any fighting. This one, follow me. I will show you how to clean it. Follow me. If you want to take a GN pan with you and empty it in the GN pan, you can. See here, there's a little groove here. It's telling you to empty the water from here. It doesn't advise you to empty the water from the steel sensors. Okay? Here, this will be full of coffee pods. The one it presses and uses to make coffee. This we throw in the trash. The dishwasher has to take this also in the back in the dishwasher. Put some hand wash it with soap and like that, make it nice. Here, just sanitizer and clean it with the towel because we don't want to wash this aggressively. Here, if you pull this steel out, you can remove it and clean it properly. Here, nothing else is removable, but you also have to spray sanitizer inside and put the towel inside, like floss with the towel, with it inside, because it accumulates a lot of grease and stuff inside. I tried once. This I was never able to remove it, so I don't think there's a way. I'm not sure. I tried, but I couldn't. We will have to ask the people. Well, I will ask the guy if he comes again one day. Okay, but for now we cannot clean inside. I don't know how to open this, and I don't want to force it then break it. Okay, once this is dirty, but I'm telling you how to clean it for the future. Okay, we'll have one guy clean it fully like that every day, and then the other staff might have to empty this and this, because it will tell you empty trays, and it will not work until you empty the trays. Now let's go back to the machine. To clean around the machine, if there is spillage or anything, we use the white towels. Go around here, like clean it with the white towel. You can spray sanitizer here around it. You can lift it up, it's not that heavy. Sanitizer under it, clean it around it, okay? Close it, just put it in and it locks. There's another thing we need to clean, not very often, so no one clean it except the dishwasher on the maintenance schedule. We'll have a maintenance schedule printed and hang. Here, come here. You open, this is like a closet door. You push a button here and pull it outside like a door. The door goes off. Here, it's attaching through these. and here a clip. This is the grinder part that grinds the beans here. Pull this red button, circle it around like that. Then you can pull the whole unit out. This unit you cannot wash it with sanitizer or anything. I will show you the only way to wash it. Come with me. You just run water through the holes. Nothing too aggressive. You can like touch it with your finger here on the outside, but don't be aggressive with it. Just run water through it. There's nothing disgusting in it. It's just coffee, ground coffee. It's not that dangerous, not that... just keep running coffee like that. I mean water through it. Here, here, here. He just told me you don't need to do this that often. Once every week, something like that. It looks pretty clean now. And usually it cleans itself. It runs hot water through itself to clean itself. So I think make sure there is no like stuck water here, there. Yeah, we can like wipe it a little bit, dry it on the outside, not too much though, with a kitchen towel. Yeah, try not to go inside and be very aggressive with it. That's it. And we put it back in. Look, the same way. Here it's dirty inside. Also, like with a towel, little sanitizer, maybe clean it here, 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 very gently, very gently. Don't be aggressive with this part. Then close it back, put it here, and like put it back, and red button, and put it back in its first position. This button is to see how much to grind the coffee, how small to grind the coffee. We put it on the smallest hole. It will make it the smallest powder. And then you put this back, those pins, you put them back in the holes. It's back and you close it. No. Okay. No. I think yes, no. Yeah. No. Yeah, it's lined up. Yep, now it's lined up. Okay, then you turn it on. It takes a second, like a minute or something to warm up. Pause now till it warms. So, when it turns on, usually it asks you to rinse. It will put rinse here. You put a cup here so it doesn't fill the tray very quick, and click on rinse. It will rinse itself and then it's on. Here you have different options. Espresso, coffee. Coffee, it means espresso with water. No, coffee means espresso with water mixed together. Cafe Americano means espresso down, water up. The drawing, from the drawing, I don't know, I'm not a coffee person. The cappuccino means coffee, espresso, and steamed water. This one means milk, coffee, steamed water, steamed milk, I mean. Warm milk means just warm milk. Yeah. We don't use that option. Don't use this option. Don't use the hot water option. That's what the guy told me. The guy who came bought this. I made this option, iced coffee. It has just more coffee in it, because I take this, I mix cold water, and I put ice, and I make iced coffee and put sugar. And here it said maintenance. You got rinse frother. This is the frother. When you click rinse frother, you have to put it in this hole again and press next. It does it, clean the frother. Rinse system, it means rinse the whole system quickly, not long cleaning. Clean frother means clean the frother more. Okay? The clean system means clean the system more than rinse, longer. It will, I think, in the clean system it will ask for this, and it takes like an hour. Okay? Descale system, this is the thing I found out about yesterday. It will ask you, this thing, when it does the cleaning, it asks you what it needs. It will tell you what it needs. So yesterday it asks me to put descaler liquid here instead of water. Empty the water and put descaler. I didn't have this. We asked them now to bring it. Evaporate system, I don't know this, honestly. Status of maintenance, I don't know this. Let's click now, see. Cleaner system, clean frother, descaling. It tells you what it needs, how close we are. This, let's see, what is it about? I think it will heat so much that it's not wet anymore inside. This is what I think will happen. But descale is for this. We're gonna get it now. It's a descaler bottle we put here, and it does descaling. Descaling is when calcium becomes white, like in the shower. Clean system, I think it's the one that needs this, the tablets. It will tell you what to do. It will tell you fill the water full, does a little cleaning, then tell you put the tablet here, and then does more cleaning, does for an hour, then that's it, it turns off. That's it. This is all the maintenance. Now you know, I think you know everything about it. Settings, you don't need to really mess with the settings. Language, cup warmer, I don't know, I think this warms up maybe. Ah, okay. Yeah, this warms up the cup, I didn't know that. Filter, we don't have filter because we are using very clean water. Filter, if you use tap water, it needs to remove the calcium from it, but we don't have that. Yeah, that's it. Now, when you want to make coffee, let's make one coffee for test. Espresso. You click inside. First, you get to choose how strong you want it. If you, the power, when it's flashing, it means you can change it. I put it maximum strength now. It means it will put water slower and make more strength. And there's another thing. You can change this during working, like change the bean. More beans means stronger coffee. And 30 ml, you will be able to change it when it's dispensing. I will show you how. Now it will automatically do 30. Now it's flashing, we can make more. See? 60. We can make 50. Let's make 40. It will give you a couple second window to choose the strength and couple second window to use the quantity. And that's it. It doesn't give you any other option, just those two. The quantity and the strength of the coffee. And now it's done. It's asking us to fill up water. We just open this, put bottled water. Because we put bottled water because we don't want to deal with changing filter and that. It's easier this way. And it's asking us to fill coffee bean. Good, now it's giving us all the, we bring the coffee bean thing. Okay, get you a clean cup. We will keep, I think it's better to keep, and we will, now I have scoops upstairs. So we don't waste a cup every time. I will keep a steel scoop in this. So we just scoop the coffee. Here, you open this, remove the lid and fill the beans. I don't know how much you need to fill it, just like until you can close the lid without problem. Here. Let's leave this here for later till I put the scoop. Okay. Now it's happy. Yeah. And that's it. Now we are ready. I think that's all it needs. It needs always water and something. Now I set up that it would shut itself in an hour. We will see. If that is good, it's good. If we need it longer, we will do it longer. So we keep it like that, all ready. We use it all. And it will keep telling us, some person will tell you empty the tray. That's the most thing it asks for. The frother, it might ask to clean the frother during service, but we will not clean it every time it asks. We will clean it by the end of the day. Because if we keep doing it, it will waste our time. And use too much water and finish the water quickly. For the milk, let me tell you the milk step. Pause, resume. And this, the straw. The straw can be removed to clean proper. This we hand wash it as well, not dishwasher safe. We cannot put it in dishwasher. It's weak plastic. You just fill it with milk. We will leave the milk all day. We will not. Later, I think it's better to put it in like a GN pan, the 1/6, and fill some ice, and then put this inside. Let's do it now. Wait, pause. I will do it now. Enough. I maybe put a little too much, but it's fine. Yeah, just let it rest here and put the nozzle. Now the milk will stay safe. We'll not worry about it. Now let's, when it's open, I think it's better not to make it turn off. Let's make it more than 1 hour. 1 hour is enough. 1 hour is enough.
Enough.
Now 1 hour it will turn itself off. Okay. Put a cup. Now we can have milk, so we get to choose the milk options. If you don't have milk, you cannot choose the milk options. You can only take espresso, or you can take cafe americano. No, not americano. Only espresso and coffee. When you don't have milk. Sometimes if we don't have milk, we will do that. Now we have milk. I'm gonna take cappuccino. And you can choose the strength. Now it's on middle. You can increase to full. Put one of these. And you can use a stirrer as well. We have stirrers here. We leave the stirrer here, the sugar here. Yeah, now it's gonna give me 200 ml. Yeah, you have a stirrer. That's it. It's stirring. Now you can choose how much frothy milk, but be careful, don't exceed the cup. How much the cup is? I think 250 ml cup or something like that, 220 ml. I'm not sure, does it say? 8 ounce, I don't know what's that in ml.
220.
220. خلاص pause.